Quadratic equations. Sports committee of Dhanur High School wants to construct a coco court of dimensions 29 meters and 16 meters. This is to be laid in a rectangular plot of area 558 meters square. They want to leave space of equal width all around the court for the spectators. What would be the width of the space for spectators? Would it be enough? Suppose the width of the space is x meters. The width of the space they leave they want to leave the space, for example, x meters, and then all the sides x here the x meters, and this side also x meters, and like this side also x meters, and the width of the court is dimensions is 16 meters. That means we have to extend these x and 2x. That means 16 plus 2x. And again, the length of the court is 29 meters, and they want to leave the space x two sides. That means 2x. 29 plus 2x. Now the total area of the area is given 558 meters square. Now the suppose the width of the space is already left over x meters, so according to the figure the length of the plot would be 29 plus 2x. Why? And this side is x is they wanted to leave, and again this side also x, so x plus x extended, the 29 is extended, x plus x 2x. So answer now the breadth of the rectangular plot would be 16 plus 2x. Here 16 and plus x, we should add x and x, 2x, 16 plus 2x. Therefore area of the rectangular plot is equal to length into breadth. Length is 29 plus 2x into 16 plus 2x. 29, because the rectangular plot area equal to length into breadth. So what is the length here? 29 plus 2x into 16 plus 2x. The area of the plot is 558 square meters is given. So by the formula 29 plus 2x into 16 plus 2x is the area. So both are equal. So multiplying with this we will get 4x square plus 90x plus 464 equal to 558. And 558 take left side, the plus becomes minus 4x square plus 90x minus 464 minus 558 minus 94, that equals 0. By taking common 2x square, and 90 means 45x, 94 means 47. Our answer is 2x square plus 45x minus 47. This is the area of the plot. Okay. In the previous class, we solved the linear equations of the form ax plus b equal to c. To find the value of x, similarly, the value of x from the above equation will give the possible width of the space for spectators. Can you think of more such examples where we have to find the quantities like in the above example using the equations? Let us consider another example. Ronnie has a square metal sheet. She removed squares of side 9 centimeters from each corner of this seat. The remaining seat as it turned up the sides from an open box as shown. The capacity of the box is 144 centimeter cube. Can we find out the original dimensions of the metal sheet? Suppose the side of the square piece of the metal sheet be x centimeters. So this is the metal sheet. The side, one side, you have to take x centimeters. X centimeters. So now look at here. This is 9 centimeters, 9 centimeters, 9 centimeters, 9 centimeters. Then the box, the dimensions of the box are 9 centimeters height and x minus 18. This means total we have x centimeters, and from here to here 9 centimeters, again here to here 9 centimeters. We have to subtract to uh, get this value 9 plus 9 from x, that equal to x minus 18. And here also same 9 and 9, x minus 18. So this is the breadth and this is the height and this is the length. Length is also 9 9. You subtract from x, x minus 18. So breadth is x minus 18, length is x minus 18, and the height of this box is 9 centimeters. The value of the box is, we know the formula, height into breadth into length. So 9 into x minus 18 into x minus 18 centimeters. So the value of the box is 144 centimeter cube. 9 into x minus 18 into x minus 18 equal to 144. Then 9 take right side, into becomes a divide. X minus 18 into x minus 18, x minus 18 whole square. 144 by 9, we will get 16. 9 16s are 144. So x minus 18 whole square is equal to x square minus 36x plus 308. Here x square a minus b whole square formula. You should apply a minus b whole square formula. X square minus 2ab plus b square. And take 16 also left side minus, and we will get the value 308. X square minus 36x plus 308 equal to 0. This is called the quadratic equation. So the value of x satisfying the above equation will become the side of the metal sheet taken earlier. Now let us observe the LHS of the equation and 1 and 2, the quadratic polynomials. We have studied the quadratic polynomials in the previous classes, and that is ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. This is called the quadratic polynomial. If a equal to 0, that is linear equation. One of the previous chapter already we learned about this quadratic polynomial. So since the LHS of the above equation 1 and 2 are quadratic polynomials and the RHS is 0, then they are called quadratic equations. The difference between, already we learned in the previous that in a ground there is a equation with quadratic polynomial, that one. Here is also quadratic polynomial we got. But if it is equal to 0, here is equal to 0. 0 means it is a equation, because we can solve these equations. We will get two values for these equations. If we substitute the two values in the equation, we will get 0. When it becomes 0, that is called the root of the equation. In this chapter, so we call this if RHS equal to 0. This is the LHS x square minus 36 plus 308 RHS equal to 0. Ah! A quadratic equation in the variable x is an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a and b comma c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. For example, 2x square plus x minus 300 equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Similarly, for 2x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0, 4x minus 3x square plus 2 equal to 0, and 1 minus x square plus 300 equal to 0 are also quadratic equations. In fact, any equation of the form p of x equal to 0, where p of x is a polynomial of degree 2, is a quadratic equation. When we write the terms of p of x in the descending order or their degrees, we get the standard form of the equation. That is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 is called the standard form of the quadratic equation. Y is equal to p of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c is called quadratic function. Now look at some examples. X square, check whether the following equations are quadratic equations or not. X square minus 6x minus 4 equal to 0. Here is x power 2, and in the second variable x power 1, and here is the constant, that means x power 0. The highest power is 0, 1, 2. The highest power is 2. The power which is 2, the degree is called the degree. The degree of the equation is 2, so that is called the quadratic equation. And let us take another one. X cube minus 6x square plus 2x plus minus 1 equal to 0. In this equation, here the x power minus 3 is there, x power 3 is there, and x square 2 power 2 is there, x power 1 is there, and x power 0 is there. The highest power of this equation is 3. 3 means its degree is 3. So quadratic means what? The power should be, the degree should be equal to 2. But here 3 is there. It has 3 roots. So it is not a quadratic equation. Quadratic means what? Only degree 2. So now look at here. 7x equal to 2x square. So x power 1 is there, x power 2 is there. And the left side, right side is there. So power 2 means it's a second degree. Second degree means it's a quadratic equation. Now look at here. X square plus 1 by x square equal to 2. It's a degree x power 2, and 1 by x power 2 means it's not a degree of the equation. We cannot determine this equation. So it's not a quadratic equation. And look at here. 2x plus 1 into 3x plus 1 equal to b into x minus 1 into x minus 2. 2x plus 1 means 1 degree. Here is also 1 degree. We are multiplying with these two. We will get the second degree of the equation. In the right side also, x minus 1, x minus 2 means x into x, we will get x square. Here also second degree. Both are same second degree. So second degree equation is called the quadratic equation. Now look at here. 3y square equal to 192. Here is also y square is the second degree equation. So it is also quadratic equation. Now look at here, there are various situations described by the quadratic functions. Some of them are when a rocket is fired upwards, then the path of the rocket is defined by the quadratic equation. The shapes of the satellite dish, reflecting mirror in a telescope, lens of the glasses, and orbits of the celestial objects are defined by the quadratic functions. Satellite dish, reflecting mirror, lens of the spectacles, artificial satellite Earth and on the Sun. The satellite is moving around the Sun, and here is the Earth is moving around the Sun. The satellite is moving around the Earth. So the path of the projectile is defined by a quadratic equation. Now look at here. The boy is kicking the ball. The ball moving in a path that is called the quadratic equation. When the brakes are applied to a vehicle, the stopping distance is calculated by using a quadratic equation. Example: represent the following situations with suitable mathematical equations. Sridhar and Rajendra together have 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each each, and the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. From the quadratic equation, to find how many marbles each of them had previously. Now the solution is, let Sridhar has X marble. For example, Sridhar has X marbles. Then the number of marbles with Rajendra have here Sridhar and Rajendra together have 45 marbles. That means we are taking, let Sridhar has X marbles. That means Rajendra have 45 minus X. Okay, the Rajendra have 45 minus X because both of them have 45 marbles. The number of marbles left with Sridhar when he lost 5 marble means Sridhar has, we are assuming that X, and he lost 5 marbles. So what is how much he has? X minus 5. The number of marbles left with Rajendra when he lost 5 marbles, because Sridhar has X marbles, Rajendra has 45 minus X. That means he lost 45 minus X and again minus 5. That means 40 minus X. But here given uh, the product of the number of marbles they have at present now 124. Okay, product means what? Therefore their product is x minus 5 is Sridhar and 40 minus x is their Rajendra. Multiplying with this we will get 40x minus x into 40, 40x, x into x minus x, here minus is there, x minus x square, 5 into 40, 200, and 5 into x, 5x, minus into minus plus is there. X square minus x square, and you should write in the order, plus 45x, 40x plus 5x. The like terms we should add. 5x and 40x is the like terms, so we should add these two. 45x minus 200. So minus x square plus 45x minus 200 equal to 124 already given. The product is given after they lost that 5 kinds. So minus x square plus 45x, you should take the 124 left side, the plus becomes minus 200 and 124 is minus 324, that equal to 0. So take minus common, multiplying with minus 1 otherwise. Common, x square minus 45x plus 324 equal to 0. Plus when we take the minus common, the symbol should be changes, minus into plus, minus becomes plus and plus become minus. Here is minus is there plus is there minus, and minus is there plus. Just you put change the signs. Therefore, the value of x is satisfied the quadratic equation x square minus 45x plus 324 equal to 0. It gives the number of marbles with 3 there at the beginning. So x square minus 45x plus 324 equal to 0 is the required mathematical equation. The hypotenuse of a right triangle is 25 centimeters. We know that the difference in lengths of the other sides is 5 centimeter. Find the required quadratic equation to find out the length of the two sides. Here, for example, what is given? Let the length of the smaller side be x. Draw the right angle triangle. Here the hypotenuse is given 25 centimeters. The smaller side is x and the other side is x plus 5. X plus 5. Other side is 5 centimeters. Now the length of the longer side is x plus 5. Let the length of the smaller side be x centimeters. The length of the longer side is x plus 5 because 5 centimeters is given. So given length of the hypotenuse is 25 centimeters. This is 25 centimeters. We know that in a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse square is equal to remaining the sum of the two squares, that is side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. These two side squares, sum of these sides, two side squares is equal to 25. This is called the Pythagorean theorem. So what is here? The small side is x. Substitute the one side x in the formula, x square, and the other side is x plus 5, x plus 5 whole square is equal to, hypotenuse square, 25 square. So x square plus x plus 5 whole square means x square plus 2ab, 2 into 5 into x, 10x, 5 square equal to 25. A square plus 2ab plus b square equal to 25 square equal to 625. So take left side, x square 2x square, and 10x is there. Like terms, we should add the like terms. Here x square both are same, so 2x square. 10x and the 625 take left side, plus 25 is there, we will get 600 equal to 0. So take the common 2 because 10 is a factor of 10, 2. 2 is the factor of 10 and 2 is also factor of 600. So multiplying both equation by 2, x square plus 5x plus 300, minus 300 equal to 0. By 2, and again 10 by 2 is 5, 600 by 2 is 300, that equals 0. The value of x from the above equation will give the possible value of length of the sides of the given right angle triangle. Check whether the following are quadratic equations. or not. X minus 2 whole square plus 1 equal to 2x minus 3. And another one, x into x plus 1 plus 8 equal to x plus 2 into x minus 2. And third one, x into 2x plus 3 equal to x square plus 1. And fourth one is x plus 2 whole cube is equal to x cube minus 4. Now the first one is, take the LHS x minus 2 whole square plus 1, x minus 2 whole square plus 1, that equal to x minus 2 means a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square means x square minus 2ab is 4x and b square is 4, and plus 1 is there, is right, plus 1. X square minus 4x, 4 plus 1 equal to 5, x square minus 4x plus 5. This is the left hand side. Okay, now take right hand side, both are equal to 2x minus 3. It can be written as, so x minus 2 whole square plus 1 equal to, already we got by simplification, x minus 4x plus 5 and equal to 2x minus 3. Now take this left side, we will get the equation. Take 2x left side minus 2x, x square minus 4x minus 2x minus 6x, and minus 3 becomes plus 3. X square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So, therefore, the given equation is quadratic equation. Now, take another example, another question. Let us, the second one, x into, now look at here, x into x plus 1 plus 8 equal to x plus 2 into x minus 2. Left hand side is x into x plus 1 plus 8. Take left hand side. The left hand side of the equation is x into x plus 1 plus 8 equal to x. Multiply with x into x square, x into 1, x, and plus 8 is there. X square plus x plus 8. And right side, x plus 2 into x minus 2 is there. We know that formula a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So what is a? A equal to x into x square. So b square is 2 into 2, that is 2 square. A plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. A square means x square, b square means 2 square equal to 4. We got x square minus 4. This is the right hand side. Now substitute these values in the equation, given equation. X square, right, left hand side is x square plus x plus 8. The right hand side is x square minus 8. Take left side, x square become minus x square, minus 4 become plus 4. X square plus x plus 8 minus x square plus 4 equal to 0. But here x square cancelled, because the symbol here is the plus and here is minus. Both are same. So in the difference symbols are there. So x square cancelled. X plus 8 plus 4 equal to 12. This is the constant value we can add. X plus 12 equal to 0. But it is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Yes or no? There is no x square. Its degree is only 1. Its degree is not 2. So it is not a quadratic equation. Therefore, the given equation is not a quadratic equation. Now the third one, LHS is x plus 2 whole cube, and third one, this one is x into 2x plus 3. LHS is there. What is third question? X into 2x plus 3 is equal to x square plus 1. This is the third question. LHS is x into 2x plus 3. RHS is x square plus 1. LHS equal to x into 2x plus 3. That means x into 2x square x into 3 plus 3x. Here is plus is there, x into 2x, 2x square, x into 3, 3x. Now, x into 2x plus 3, RHS is x square plus 1. So, its equation is 2x square plus 3, 3x equal to x square plus 1. Yeah, now take x square left side, 2x square minus x square, 2x square minus x square equal to x square, and 3x is there, 3x plus 1 become minus 1, because it is plus is right side, take the left side, we will get minus 1. So therefore we get x square plus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So the given equation is a quadratic equation. Next, fourth one is x plus 2 whole cube is equal to x cube minus 4. X plus 2 whole cube is equal to x cube minus 4. Left hand side x plus 2 whole cube, right hand side x cube minus 4. Now let us take LHS equal to x plus 2 whole cube is equal to x plus 2 whole square into x plus 2. It is also in the form of x plus 2 whole cube formula, that is x cube a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Also we can write directly, we can write it. Otherwise x plus 2 whole square into x plus, take a cube, we can write it as x plus 2 whole square into x plus 2. X plus 2 whole square equal to a square plus a plus b whole square, like this. So a square is x square and 4x plus 4 into x plus 2. Multiply with x plus 2, x into x square x cube, x into 4x 4x square, and x into 4 4x. Multiply with 2 2x square, and 2 into 4 8x, 2 into 4 8. X cube plus 2x square plus 4x square plus 8x plus 4x plus 8. Like terms add here. What are the like terms? X cube is 1, 2x square 4x square, 2x square 4x square, you can add these to 6x square, and 8x plus 4x is 12x, and the remaining term, the constant value is 8. X cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8. This is the left hand side. Then right hand side is x cube minus 4. So x cube plus x square plus 12x plus 8 equal to x cube minus 4. Take x cube left side, the symbol changes. X cube cancelled, both same numbers are there, same variable is there in left hand side, right hand side, we can cancel it, because if you take left side it become minus, minus and plus will cancel. So 6x square, x cube cancelled, 6x cube, 6x square plus 12x plus 8, and 4 becomes plus 4, minus 4 becomes plus 4. 4 and 8 we can write 12, and there is a common 6. 6x square plus 12x plus 12 equal to 0. If you take common, that means common means you should divide with 6. 6 by 6 equal to 1x square, and 12 by 6 equal to 2x, 12 by 6 equal to 2. So x square plus 2x plus 2 equal to 0. So it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So the given equation is a quadratic equation.